In this video, we want to review the managing invoice options that have been generated by the rapid implementation spreadsheet. So if I go to setup and maintenance, financials, and I'm selecting payables, and I want to go to manage invoice options. So the first thing to do is to set the scope. My scope is going to be Acme business unit. So I'm selecting Acme USA business unit 1, save and close. And you can see the defaults that have been entered. So these are all the defaults. So these are the default settings. And you can always go back in here and change it as required. So for example, you can set what you want the invoice currency to be as a default. You need to set up what the tolerances are. So I'm going to make these the percentage of quantity based, and amount tolerances, amount ordered by 10%. I can set what my default payment currency is. I can set my default pay group. I'm going to make that standard. Standard. I can also set invoice entry, maybe to require grouping, document override, allowing adjustments, hold on match invoices, enable invoice accounting coding workflow, which is new in release 13. And then you've got other options as I've entered payment currency, pay group, and also other things like payment terms, invoice date basis, pay date basis, accounting date basis as well. And you've got receipt acceptance days, invoice currency, I'll make that dollars as well. And then matching, you've got other things like allow final matching, always take discounts, tax, payment terms. So you've got all of these, enable invoice approval, and you've got all these calculating interest, payment request, and you can even specify what you want your default pay group to be for payments. So I'm going to make this again standard. It's my default pay group. And you've got other options for self-service invoices. So these are the options generated as the default standard. So I'm going to save and close because I've made some changes to it. So that's how to manage your invoice options. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.